Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to solve this equation for y. To solve this equation, I'm going to use the distributive property, the formula for binomial square, and the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. First, I'm going to use the distributive property to open parentheses. I'm going to multiply 10y with each term within the second parenthesis, and then 1 with each term within the second parenthesis. So when I do that, this equals to 10y squared plus 10y plus y plus 1. And this expression is multiplied by 10. Next, I need to apply the formula for binomial square to expand the binomial 1 plus 10y in parentheses squared. When I do that, this equals to, in parentheses, 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times 10y plus 10y in parentheses squared. I put this expression in square parentheses because the negative sign in the front applies to each term within the parentheses. So this whole expression equals to 909. Next, I need to multiply 10 with each term within the first parenthesis. When I do that, I get 100y squared plus 100y plus 10y plus 10 minus, and now I need to apply the negative sign to each term within the square parentheses, and when I do that, I get negative 1 minus 20y minus 100y squared, and this equals to 909. As a next step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the ones that have the same literal parts or are numbers. For example, 100y squared and negative 100y squared are like terms, and in fact they're the same terms with opposite signs. That's why when I add them, they equal to 0, or they simply cancel out. Other like terms are 100y, 10y, and negative 20y. So when I calculate the numerical parts of these terms, I get 90y, and then what I have left here is 10 minus 1, which is 9, equals to 909. As a next step, I need to transfer the 9 from the left side of the equation to the right one with opposite sign. When I do that, this equals to 909 minus 9, or 90y equals to 900, and when I simplify further, I get 900 over 90, or y equals to 10 is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.